Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a quick review on Devi. Now Devi AI, what is it about? It's an AI lead generation assistant to help you monitor keywords to find organic leads and outreaches on Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, Nextdoor, WhatsApp. You can start the trial by clicking here. It's featured in so many incident magazines and stuff. So you get more organic leads with less effort. It helps monitor keywords in Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Ready to find organic leads, like we said earlier, and all languages are supported. You can win clients with AI-generated personalized comments and messages. So you can get a lot of leads, you can see them in Danish and the rest of them. One dashboard, but you get 6 platforms, no missed leads, so no need to be a group admin. So ChatGPT reads every post, so you don't have to. You can help you to detect buying intent, flag complaints, and eliminate spam to also help you to find sales opportunities instantly, address issues before they escalate, and stay focused on real leads. So AI generated visual content to boost inbound leads. So it should boost your engagement by up to 94%. AI created news visuals for your industry and saves time with one-click scheduling to all social media profiles. You can set it up within 30 seconds and capture leads. You just connect social media, add your keyword, add business details for AI outreach. It's as simple as that. So you can use paid version or the simple version. Now this is for paid ads, actually not paid version. Paid ads, you get up to $100 a lead. You pay up to $100 a lead, but for them you get unlimited free leads. Yeah, for paid ads, simple targeting, but for Devi, highly targeted. Therefore, paid ad, high intent leads. Devi also gets high intent leads. Paid, you get searching information. Devi get genuine interest in buying, and then paid ad, you get fake traffic. While in Devi, you get authentic users. So Devi automation saves time. Turn social media into revenue. 2 hours Facebook group, 1 hour. You can see everything it does for you. So you can start trials if you want. Now you get 5 reasons to monitor keywords on social media, because 90% of people trust a recommended brand, even from strangers. And word of mouth brings in 5 times more sales than paid media. 85% of small businesses are discovered due to word of mouth. Around 40 positive customer reviews are required to undo 1 negative review. And 7% of brand conversations on social media are people looking for help, information, or advice. So this data source is based on this part. And it's this Devi AI is trusted by about 1,000+ companies. It has been a lifeline to some teams. So what you're looking for, you can maximize sales by engaging customers when they are most interested. So why were you are giving a try for more info about it? What are you waiting for? Give it a try.